guys, we are back, and this week I am making a really quick and easy recipe for chicken and waffles, and then one of my favorite guests is going to make cookies and cream Rice Krispie treats. Let's get it. Okay, let's fry up some chicken. So I have boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I sliced up, and I'm just sprinkling them with a little bit of salt because I'm actually going to place them in seasoned flour so I don't have to do too much. And bam, Flavor God Cajun seasoning. This is my new favorite spice. You already know I love the Cajun seasoning, and the spiciness of this paired with the sweetness of the waffle is going to be amazing. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top. And then I'm using Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour. And I'm gonna take each chicken strip and just kind of roll it around in the flour. I already have my deep fryer preheated to 325 degrees. It's nice and hot and ready to fry up this chicken. So once you have all of your chicken in the deep fryer, you want to let that cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it's completely cooked through. Once it's done, you'll remove it, set it on a plate, set it aside, and then you'll be ready to make your waffles. This is a really cute mini waffle maker. It's by Dash, and I ordered it online. And I got it, of course, because it's red. If you've noticed, my kitchen is red. Anytime I see a red appliance, I get it because it reminds me of my grandma. Her entire kitchen was red, and I just remember all the meals we had there and the good times. So I definitely love this mini waffle maker. You guys, I will put the link to purchase it in my description box. Okay, so let's make some waffles. You can purchase waffle mix, but this is just as quick and easy. I'm adding in 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to add in 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Give that a stir. And then I'm going to hit it with that razzle dazzle. I just let the ancestors guide me on when to stop, and I added in some vanilla extract. It looks like it's about a teaspoon though, guys. And just stir that up until it gets to the consistency like nice and smooth. And then it's ready to go into the waffle maker. So I'm using some butter spray. I'm just going to spray the top and the bottom of the waffle maker. And then I'm going to pour in about 1/4 cup of that batter. And I let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the waffles were nice and golden brown. And once each waffle was done, I put it on a cookie sheet and put it in the oven on warm, since I can only cook one at a time, so they can stay nice and hot until it's time to serve. I added my chicken strips once they were ready right on the top of those, and then I'm about to hit it with that maple syrup. You guys, look at that. Moment of truth. I get a hint of the Cajun in the chicken. I can taste the vanilla mixed in with the syrup and the waffle. The spicy sweet combination is amazing. You guys need to try this.
What's good, everybody? This is your boy, Mr. Favorite Guest, and I'm here to make some cookies and cream Rice Krispie treats for my beloved wife. Let's get it. It's gonna be fun.
Alright, y'all, so this is what we have. We have 30 Oreo Thins, and we broke them up. Pretty much we Hulk smashed that bad boy, you know what I'm saying? You tell the camera shaking, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get all these things broken up. I might have been too aggressive, but it's okay, right? So the next thing we do is we're gonna put a half a stick of butter into a warm pot and just let it melt. After that, we're gonna put a whole bag of marshmallows into the pot with the butter. And so now we're just going to stir the marshmallows with the butter. I'm just gonna let it stir, and we're gonna let it stir. As you can see here, it's all melting, you know what I'm saying? And we're just gonna keep letting it melt until it gets into a really, really nice consistency base of this. Just good goodness right here, you know what I'm saying? So then we're gonna take a teaspoon of vanilla, put it in there with the marshmallows and the butter, and stir it up. And that really gonna give it some more flavor. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna keep stirring it. We're gonna put a pinch of salt. That pinch of salt looked professional as that deal, did it not? Stir it in with the marshmallows, you know. Then we're gonna add some crispy rice, which I know about that crispy rice. We're gonna add 5 cups of crispy rice into the pot and just keep stirring it until it gets to a really nice consistency, right? Then we're gonna add the Hulk smashed Oreo Thins into the pot, and we're gonna stir them all up till it gets really good and mixed, right? So now we have the casserole dish. We're gonna spray with some good butter cooking spray, and then we're gonna just dump all this nice and beautiful mixture into this casserole dish. We're gonna spread it out with our spatula until it's really good and even, right? And just gonna let it sit for 20 minutes, right? And then we are going to what I like to call a dig in. Look at this beautiful go.
Alright, y'all, so here we are. We have the finished product. We let it sit for 20 minutes, and now we are about to dig in. So let's see how this is.
Okay.
It's alright. It's alright.
That's good.
It is.
I can really taste the vanilla. It mixes in really well with the marshmallows and the Oreos, and it's just gooey goodness. Let me tell you guys, listen, we are about to finish our Rice Krispie treats, and thank you for making these. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. We will see you next week. Peace.